Hi friends, I'm Miss Jasmine, and today I'm going to take you on a nature walk. I'm here at the Deerwood Arboretum, and we have stumbled upon a flowering dogwood tree. It is so beautiful. I just love how the white flowers are blooming. Soon all those flowers will probably fall off and it'll turn green. Let's see what else we can find. Here we have the little Harpeth River. I especially love the sound that the river makes. Just listen. We've stumbled upon a little friend in nature. Worms are fantastic for gardens as they aerate the dirt. Hey, look what we found right here. We think that it could be honeysuckle, these really pretty white flowers. The reason they call them honeysuckle is that there's supposed to be some honey on the inside of this flower. But I can't seem to find any, so I'm not gonna try it. But they are pretty to look at. Let's look at all the honeysuckle. It's so pretty. Look what we found.
Ducks.
Okay, so here we have an eastern redbud, a beautiful flowering tree that looks very purple to me. I thought you might enjoy seeing it too. Also, the hills are alive with the sound of music. Hi friends, Miss Jasmine here, and on our nature walk, we spotted some helicopters. Now these are not your average helicopter that you see in the sky, but it's like a natural, it's a seed really, but watch what they can do. Oh, I need to let it be higher. If you guys find some of these in your backyard, I highly recommend them. They're a lot of fun. Just holding them up in the air and letting them fall. Maybe I should get a bunch of them. Did you get those? Awesome. Hi friends, so this is the end of our nature walk. I hope you enjoyed everything that you heard and saw. The last thing I wanted to share with you are these that we found today. We're gonna take them home and do something special with them in another video. So be looking for that. And I'll see you next time.